Yeah. Find the cofactor matrix for this matrix. Before finding cofactor matrix, first we need to find minor matrix for this matrix. Here I will just write minor of this matrix now, because I have already explained how to find minor of the minor matrix for this matrix. Okay, so that I have explained in a video. It comes on the top of the screen. If it won't come, just wait for a few minutes and check the video again, it will come. Okay, so now I will just directly write minor matrix for this. I will take M as minor matrix. I will write here 7 3 minus 3, 3 minus 3, 1 1 0, 1 1 0 minus 1 0 1. This is the minor matrix. So we need to find cofactor matrix using this matrix. Before that, I will write general form of this matrix first. So this can be written in general like this. M is equal to, okay, M11, M12, M13, M21, M22, M23, M31, M32, M33. 1 means first row, first column, first row, second column, like that. Second row, second column, third row, second column. That is the meaning. Okay. So general form of this is this. M11 means M, in place of this we have 7. M12 means in place of M12 we have 1. That means M11 is equal to 7. M12 is equal to 1. So that's the meaning. Now we need to find we want cofactor matrix. For that we will use general formula. This is general formula. Aij minus 1 to the power of I plus j into Mij. Okay, this is the general formula. Here I will list cofactors. Just a space for listing cofactors after finding here. Now, I means ith row, j means jth column. This is general formula. So, I means it indicates row number, j is column number. Now, first I will take this one. Here 1 1 is there. 1 1 means I is equal to 1, j is equal to 1. So I am considering this first element. I is equal to 1, j is equal to 1. Substitute I and j value. So a 1 1 is equal to minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 1, because I is 1, j is 1. I am just substituting values for I and j into Mij. Ij means 1 1. Now simplify the minus 1 as it is. 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay. Into m11. In place of m11 we have 7. Write that. Okay. Next equal. Here 2 is there, it is even number. Even number means the number which is completely divisible by 2. 2 can be divided by 2. Like 2 by this 2 I am taking here. If you divide this 2 by 2, it will be divided completely. 2 ones are 2 ones are. So that's why this 2 is the even number. See, minus 1 to the power of any even number, it is always 1. 1. Next into 7. So 1 into 7 is equal to 7. Okay. So we got A11 is equal to 7. I am writing here. 7. Next, I'll rub this. I will show backside of this board. No, I will show here only because the general form and this matrix is here only, so it's better I will solve here. Next, this is done. Next, I will take this 1, 2. That means this is I is equal to 1, j is equal to 2. I will substitute here. I is equal to 1, I is equal to 1, j is equal to 2. That is equal to minus 1 to the power of I is equal to 1 plus j is equal to 2 into m. I is equal to 1, j is equal to 2. That is equal to minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 2, 3 into m12. In place of m12 we have 1 into 1. That is equal to, see, 3 is odd number. 3 cannot be divided by 2 completely. So it is odd number. So minus 1 to the power of odd number is minus 1 always. So into 1. So minus 1 into 1 minus 1. So we got A12 is equal to minus 1. I will write here. Okay. Next I will take this one. Same process we have to follow, like how we found cofactor Aij value for this and this, same thing for this everything. We will continue the same process for finding cofactors. I am taking this m13, that means 13 means I is equal to 1, j is equal to 3. I will substitute here. I is equal to 1, j is equal to 3 is equal to minus 1 to the power of I is equal to 1, j is equal to 3 into m. I is equal to 1, j is equal to 3. That is equal to minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 3, 4 into m13. In place of m13 we have minus 1. I will take that. Next, see this 4 is even number. As I said, it is completely divided by 2. So 4 is even number, minus 1 to the power of even number always plus 1. So into this minus 1, that is equal to 1 into minus 1 minus 1. So we got A13 is equal to minus 1. Next I will erase. You understood how we found out Aij for this and this. Same process we will continue for these things also, as I already said. So now I will go for this. So 2, 1, I is equal to 2, j is equal to 1. I will substitute here. So I is equal to this 2, so j is equal to this 1. So is equal to minus 1 to the power of I plus j. I is equal to 2 plus j is equal to 1 into m I is equal to 2, j is equal to 1, that is equal to minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 1 is 3 into m to 1. In place of m to 1 we have 3. That 3 I will write here. That is equal to 3 is odd number. As I said, it cannot be divided by 2 completely. So 3 is odd number. Minus 1 to the power of odd number is minus 1 into 3. So minus 1 into 3 is minus 3. We got a to 1 is equal to minus 3. Similarly, I will take this. I is equal to 2, j is equal to 2. I is equal to 2, j is equal to 2. Substitute this in this. So this a, I is equal to 2, j is equal to 2, that is equal to minus 1 to the power of I is equal to 2 plus j is equal to 2 into mij. M I is equal to 2, j is equal to 2. Okay. Now this minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 2 4 into m22. In place of m22 we have 1. That one I will take here. So 4 is even number, minus 1 to the power of even number plus 1 into this one, into this one, into this one, into 1. This I took. 1 into 1 is equal to 1. So a22 is equal to 1. Just 1 minute. Yeah. Next I will take this 2, 3. I is equal to 2, j is equal to 3. I is equal to 2, j is equal to 3. Substitute these values I and j value here. So this a, I is equal to 2, j is equal to 3, that is equal to minus 1 to the power of I is equal to 2 plus j is equal to 3 into m, I is equal to 2, j is equal to 3, that is equal to minus this minus 1 to the power whole to the power of 2 plus 3 5. So into m23, in place of m23 we have 0. Okay, here anything multiplied by 0 will get 0 only. So we got a23 is equal to 0. I will write here. a23 is equal to 0. Next I will take this one. M31. 31 means I is equal to 3, j is equal to 1. I is equal to 3. I is equal to 3. This is j is equal to 1. So j is equal to 1. So substitute this here. This a, I is equal to 3, j is equal to 1. Here I have written I and j values. That is equal to minus 1 to the power of I plus j. I is equal to 3 plus j is equal to 1. So into I is equal to 3, j is equal to 1. That is equal to this minus 1 to the power of 3 plus 1 is 4 into m31. In place of m31 we have minus 3. Now 4 is a even number, minus 1 to the power of even number is plus 1 into this minus 3 into minus 3. So 1 into minus 3 is equal to minus 3. So we got a31 is equal to minus 3. I will write here. Minus 3. Next to this 3 to m, I is equal to 3, j is equal to 2. I is equal to 3, j is equal to 2. Substitute here. So I is equal to 3, j is equal to 2. I is equal to 3, j is equal to 2. Next minus 1 to the power of this minus 1. I is equal to 3 plus j is equal to 2. into m, this m, I is equal to 3, j is equal to 2. This minus 1, 3 plus 2, 5 into m32. In place of m32 we have 0. 0. Now anything multiplied by 0 will be 0. So a32 is equal to 0. a32 is equal to 0. Yeah. Next this one. m33. 3. I is equal to 3. J is equal to 3. I is equal to 3. J is equal to 3. I am going to substitute here. A. I is equal to 3. J is equal to 3. Is equal to minus 1. This minus 1. I is equal to 3 plus j is equal to 3 into this m. I is equal to 3, j is equal to 3. So that is equal to this minus 1, 3 plus 3, 6 into this m33. In place of m33 we have 1. So that one you will write here. Now 6 is the even number because it can be divided by 2 completely. So minus 1 to the power of even number will get plus 1 into 1 into 1, that is equal to 1 into 1 is equal to 1. So we got a33 is equal to 1. Okay. Now I will cofactors for all the elements is done. I have listed here. Now cofactor matrix, I will general form of cofactor matrix is this: a11, a12, a13, a21, a22, a23, a31, a32, a33. This is general form of cofactor matrix. Now we have values for a11, a12, everything here. Substitute these values here. 7 minus 1 minus 1 minus 3 1 0 minus 3 0 1. So this is the cofactor matrix. This is the final answer. So the question is that find the cofactor matrix for this. So this is the answer. Thank you. Click on subscribe.